Hi guys, in this video we will see how to create or convert any file and folders to a zip folders on your iPhone. To do so, go to your files app on your iPhone, tap on it. Here go to any files or folders and we will compress it to zip folders. You can see a folder's name Spotify. Tap and hold and choose compress. And you can see a zip folder is successfully created, documents zip. Same process will be applied for other folder. You can easily convert a files and folders to a zip folder. Simply tap and hold the folder and you can see a zip folder is corresponding created. Now if you want to unzip, then simply tap and hold the zip folder and choose uncompressed. That's all.